Hello, my name is Paola Alvarez, and today I am going to answer some questions regarding the text grouping, correcting, and giving feedback to students, which mainly talks about the advantage of working in a group with our students and how we can provide them with feedback, which is of utmost importance to complete their learning process in the classroom. Well, let's get started. First, I am going to explain the difference between a collaborative task and a confrontation task. The first one is collaborative task. As their name suggests, are collaborative, meaning that in these tasks, two or more students are going to carry out the task or activity together. The idea with these tasks is to encourage teamwork so that the team members learn to communicate each other and collaborate. On the other hand, in the confrontation task, what is sought is to somehow confront the students and bring out their competitive side through tasks or activity, whether individual or in small groups where they can demonstrate their linguistic skills and competences. What difference does this make in the way people feel? In collaborative tasks, students are likely to feel in a comfort zone because they know they can join forces and skills to develop the tasks together. In confrontational tasks, they are not necessarily going to feel insecure, rather consider that they are put in an alert mode because there is the adrenaline of reaching a goal or objective before the other. So I consider that each of the tasks has its own characteristics and benefits for the students. In other subject, when we speak about correcting the students, a gesture that I use, and I think that in some way it is a set of gestures, is that I usually raise my hand indicating stop, but in a soft way, so that the students doesn't feel intimidated, but they do stop so that they understand that something is happening. If it's only a pronunciation error, I repeat the word or phrase in a more accentuated way and raising my voice a little so that they can listen. And if it's some error that requires more explanation, then along with the stop sign, I begin an explanation. And this leads us to reformulation. That is to present something from another angle or point of view. Reformulation allows us to look for different ways to explain something. When our first explanation was confusing for students, we can look for reformulation to make sure that they understand the information we want them to obtain. And well, as far as tasks are concerned, we have those that are product orientated. That is, those that are going to focus on the final result that the task is going to generate. And finally, we will talk about why and when to praise our students. Well, I believe praise in moderation and well applied can make the difference between the students. Praise in the classroom when they have done a task correctly, when they have managed to understand a rule, when they are pronouncing correctly, and I think that especially when I am observing their pure and real effort. It can help students to gain confidence, feel motivated, commit to their process of learning a second language, and above all, it will give them that energy and desire to continue learning. Students will come to the class wanting to learn. And well, that's all for me for today, so I hope this information helps you with your students, and I'll see you in the next video.